bed on this wall. But what to do, guys? I don't know. Like, dang, bro. This is the end of my dirty room because it's unnecessary. Dang. Oh, why you tangle?
I say that we're falling off, baby.
Hey guys, I'm Brittany, the one and only Brittany. Welcome or welcome back to my channel.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands.
So guys, I went to the gym today. I still haven't washed my booty since then, and I could probably go wash the dishes right now, but that's not what I'm doing. I'm going to rearrange my room instead because I want to and because I'm bored and I'm feeling the soreness kick in. But I'm gonna give you a quick rundown of how I want my room to be. Here's an example picture that I sketched up on SketchUp. But it's obviously not going to look exactly like that picture because I have way more things in my room than that picture intends. And I kind of made it to where that picture is the exact size of my room and how my room looks for real. So I just need to figure out how I'm gonna actually do this because I don't know. I'm basically just flipping everything that's right here on the opposite side of my room. So I'm starting my productive girl era. You know, I'm in that productive girl era. So I need to start getting up. I wake up at 5 in the morning now, kind of. I was at first, but then it started to go down into like 5:45, all that. But that's besides the point. Okay, guys, let's get into this video. This is going to be a deep clean, like. It's going to be a deep clean, a rearranging of the room, a closet clean out. Because, baby, what is this? What has the world become? Meaning my room. Like, it's unacceptable. Look at this. Look at my... Oops, my bad. Look at this, bruh. What is... Hold up. What is this, man? What is this, my boy? What is... It's atrocious, I know. And don't even get me started on the closet. Y'all, please don't. Please don't even get me started on the closet. A hot mess, I know. It's a hot mess, I know, trust. Ooh, Todd, that hurt. I forgot. That's not the one that takes forever to close. That one is. But, alright, guys. Y'all seen the pic, y'all seen the inspo pic. Well, not inspo pic, because like once I get money, y'all gonna be seeing my room looking like a Pinterest. Pinterest. But what I'm going to do and what I always do is just move everything out my room. So I'm going to set y'all up to where I can show y'all me taking everything out my room. This is the end of my dirty room because it's unnecessary. Yeah, so this is my room. And yeah, this is what it's looking like. Still need to move that bed around. Trust, and I gotta see how heavy the bed gonna be heavy. I still have to see how heavy the bed gonna be to move, you know. But my thoughts is I'm supposed to shift it over here, but me personally, I want to turn the whole bed on this wall. Dang, bruh. This stuff heavy on my bed. I don't know what to do, guys. I don't know. Like, This is what it's looking like, guys. This is what it's looking like. I forgot which drawer went where, but we gonna figure it out. Like, woo! Ooh, child. Ooh, child. Now, I keep dropping my Apple Watch. Hey, I like this. Hold up. Yeah, guys, so when I start cleaning out my closet, the camera gonna be like this. But right now, it's like this, cause, yeah. Okay. Alright. Okay. All of this has my nail stuff in it. So, yeah. But okay, guys, so let me fit and y'all don't like this, but this right here was supposed to be, and originally was supposed to be my nail stuff, but then I turned this drawer into a snack drawer. But then you see I have my camera and my piercing kit in here. Huh? Okay. Oh, here's the stuff so I can clean the drawers. Yeah. My mom bought me an energy drink. She knows I love them. But this is it's first time tasting it. Taste test on camera. Hold up. Let me get down there. Let me see. Hold up. The camera's light not even on me further. Already so. That's good. But empty. We just gonna act like I made it. We're going to take this stuff right here. We're gonna transfer this drawer into this little box right here. So guys, let me show you my nail drawer right here. This is what my nail drawer looks like right here. Yeah. It's a lot, trust, I know. It's a lot, but that's okay. This is what's in this one right here. Not too much. For real. My mirror needs to go right here. My channel just hit its first 100 subscribers, but it hit that like 2 days ago. But hey, thank you guys for 100 subscribers. Let's go. Yeah, I really like this setup. Like, it's cute. Like, I like how my mirror's right here. And I could just bring a chair and put it right here for when I wanna get ready and you look cute. Babe, wanna say hi to my video? Say hi.
What's up, YouTube?
He's so lame. Now, guys, now it's time to tackle this closet, like, for real. Like, real talk. A wire hanger. Do I have some more films?
So I need a PS5.
Shut up. Buy it for me then. So guys, this is what our floor looking like. It's time to take some of that and put it in the actual trash itself. So y'all get out. My gully. Don't know where that's going. Okay guys, so this is how I'm gonna leave my closet, because yeah, that's just how I'm gonna leave it, guys, because I don't have time to finish all this, and I put it in there. It's gonna look ugly right now, but as the years progress, the closet will get better, trust and believe. But I'm gonna show you what my room is looking like in this video log. Okay guys, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down some more video ideas that y'all would like to see in the future. But we ended this at 9:43. Started at 5, ended at 9. That's 4 hours. If I didn't touch that closet, it would have been like 2. But we touched it, and it don't look the best, but it's okay. But thank y'all guys so much for watching, my one and onlys. Until next time, bye guys.